Hi everyone, it's me, Mrs. Groner, and we are here to learn another new letter sound. Today's letter is the letter E. The letter E says eh. Watch how my mouth kind of widens out. My tongue stays down and my mouth is open when I make the sound eh, eh. I'm almost smiling. Eh. Just like that. Now, the shape of the letter E is a fun one to make. You don't start in the middle, you start lower than the middle. And you do this, you do line across and curve around. The sound of E is eh. Let's go ahead and make the shape of the E as big as we can in the air. Now remember, we're not starting in the middle, we're starting a little bit down from the middle. Ready? Line across and curve around. The sound of E is eh. Great. Now let's make the shape of that letter on our arm. Line across and curve around. The sound of E is eh. Again. Line across and curve around. The sound of E is eh. What's the sound of E? Eh, 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 eh. The sound of E is eh. Thanks for practicing with me today. Remember, the more you practice, the better a reader you become. I hope to see you soon.